You didn't buy it when it was on sale before and you still said it was too expensive even with free shipping? Well, listen up. Now it's 50% off plus free shipping. What you'll get is the upgraded cordless pressure washer. It's totally portable, so you can take it anywhere and use it anytime. If you miss out this time, you'll have to wait a whole year. All you need is a 5-gallon bucket, wash your car, rinse your porch, clean your patio, or even your kids' toys and bicycles. Literally anything, anywhere. It looks lightweight, but it packs some serious pressure. Just look at all this dirt on the back of my car floor mat. One spray and it's spotless. It comes with different nozzles that you can switch based on your cleaning needs. Better yet, it can draw water directly from a bucket, lake, or pond. Perfect for camping trips or farm use. It's super useful around the house, especially if you have messy kids who track mud everywhere. I can't believe it's now 50% off plus free shipping. Don't hesitate. You'll regret it big time if you don't grab this amazing deal.
Get one and try it for yourself. Get one and try it for yourself.